Unified communications helps increase productivity through the convergence of communication channels and business processes. Sydney Burton, Director, Education Markets, discusses the benefits of unified communications for education.
Unified communications for higher education represents a range of technologies that provide a simplified user experience and an increased availability of resource access. This incorporates unified messaging, wireless capabilities, the convergence of voice and data and video networks, as well as a number of different applications that serve the user population. The infrastructure typically rests on a wireless network, and the wireless network really has a huge role in higher education. One of the trends today in higher education is towards flexible spaces. Configurable classrooms, even configurable residence halls, informal study spaces that are being carved out of hallways and lobbies and other locations. And the wireless infrastructure is the key component that provides access to network resources in all of these environments. Voice over wireless is another technology that is a foundation for mobility on the campus, enabling staff members to be more efficient as they move around the campus to conduct business. From operations people to help desk staffers to conference managers and catering employees, it allows them to address the problems and the issues that they run into on the campus without having to return to their home base of operations. Technology that rests on the infrastructure that the wireless network provides is RFID technology, which allows asset tracking, where you have laboratories, where you have computer labs, science or engineering labs that have shared equipment. Then you can use asset tracking to make sure that you know where the equipment is every time it's needed by the next group. Communications applications based on presence management make it possible for individuals to really, truly, and effectively manage their own communications with single number access. Presence management and the ability to see the status of coworkers can be a productivity boost to teams who divide their time between classrooms and laboratories and conference rooms and offices. The mobile client then extends this single number access by providing the individual with a device that transitions from operation as a wireless phone on the campus to a cell phone off the campus. Unified messaging then supplements this productivity enhancement with the ability to see, hear, and manage both email and voicemail messages from a single mailbox. A soft phone can be a great communications tool for numerous faculty and staff members. It's ideal for the road warriors of the campus, those in recruiting and career services who are transacting business while they're traveling. It keeps them in touch with the campus and offers them the same features and functionality as their desk phone. Applications offering presence management and soft phone capabilities can also be offered to students, providing them with the productivity benefits as well as offering them a cost-effective way for out-of-state and international students to call home. Unified communications then extends to notification capabilities, blending outbound dialing, text messaging via SMS or email, and digital signage into a virtual system that targets each message to a specified group of recipients based on priority, location, and role. Each individual can designate a range of access methods, multiple phone numbers, several text or email addresses, and fax or pager numbers. Messaging displayed on digital signage offers the same information to campus guests and to those who are out and about on the campus without their personal communications devices. Notification functionality is most significant in critical situations when the campus needs its lines of communications to be at their most effective. But a notification capability doesn't have to be relegated to emergencies. As a routine notification capability, it can offer a reminder service to students, advertising upcoming deadlines for financial aid forms, course registration, the last day to add or drop classes, etc. With database integration, notification can also be used to remind students of appointments with their faculty advisor or perhaps with the campus health center. E911 is another critical communications element for every campus. Some campuses have their own 911 centers and operators. Others rely on the community 911 capability. Regardless of where the 911 call is answered, of critical importance is the ability to determine the location of the caller, even when the caller is dialing from an IP phone or a wireless device. Unified communications really ties in neatly with a number of the trends that we see going on in higher education. We encourage you to use the resources that are available to you at NEC Unified Solutions to help evaluate how unified communications could help streamline your users' communication experience and improve their access to network resources.